It's only been a month. Actually, it hasn't been a full month that I've had the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I am shocked by the tenderness of this front screen. Now, normally, I use my phone without a screen protector, but this one's different. This one, I decided I need to find another phone cover, I should say, because the hazing that has happened in this one particular spot, yeah, it's gotten next to me. I'm just shocked because it hasn't even been a month yet. That I see there, I do find it for myself irritating. Is it small? Yeah. But for what we're paying for, I just anticipated something that wouldn't have this level of hazing. And again, it has not been a full month yet. I do love this case. Now, this case by Samsung, I do really like it. I like having the pin available. It is nice and thin, so I don't get a lot of bulk. Yes, this side over here that has like one strip of adhesive to keep it in place, for some people there has been a few reviews where they say it comes off, it breaks, and it is not the thickest piece, I can tell you that, because they want to give you access to all of your screen. Mine hasn't moved very much, but I do know when I'm holding it at times, if you can see there's a little bit of movement. There is some give there. So I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and find something else that allows me to protect my screen and yet still protect my phone. I've ordered a new phone cover that has a built-in screen protector, and at this moment I can't even tell you. I don't even remember. Ooh, look at that. Okay, there we go. I don't even remember what this one looks like. I want to say I got it in a clear because I just prefer to do clear. Yes, here we go. All right. Okay, so let's see here. We have the back, which is nice. It does include another pin, which is okay. That's cool. I can dig it. We can also take it out. And then I like the full screen protector because again, I don't want any more hazing. I just don't. And I do see that there is some stuff there to remove the plastic that's protecting it. We've got some wet wipes, a dry wipe, so we can fully clean our phone, and then another soft microfiber. Not as soft as the one that I use on my glasses, which is what I use on my phone, but we'll keep it anyway. Okay, give me a few moments. We're going to attach this bad boy. So we have installed or attached the cover. I do say I think it's great that this one connects really nice and tight. There is no need for any adhesive on here. It is quick and simple You can still do all the movements that you need to do, so that's great. So you haven't lost anything there. I like how the indentation on the side kind of goes in, and looking at it, I mean, it's this fits really, really well. So I'm excited about that it makes it easy to get in, and now it is protected, so there won't be any more hazing on the screen, which is great, because that, I'm just really shocked that it didn't even take a full month for that to happen. And I don't know if it's my nails or if it's I don't know, something else, but jeez, I just didn't think it would happen that fast. But this cover is actually pretty great. The title of it, or I should say the product name or the company, just says glass, which is interesting. I'll have to find it. I know I got it off of Amazon because I want to find one that worked really well, but I really do like the fit of it. I appreciate the space for the pin. The pin that came with it is interesting, but I'm going to more than likely use the lime green pin that came with it because I really like the lime green.